commit 300 service hours every year to serving the needs of their community. My name is Connor, and I work at the Paragon School in the community, which is a K-12 school for children with autism.
Hi guys, my name is Kate. I'm a senior Bonner, and I'm also a Bonner Intern. And my favorite part about the Bonner program is that it gives students real-life experience in the nonprofit world, and it also encourages Rollins' mission of global citizenship and responsible leadership. So students are really getting themselves integrated into the local community and
Ari, bed. Good girl. Ari, side. Good. Ari, down. Good. Stand.